Hello guys, again. Today we are playing Monkey's Place. I've been posting about don't mind that. We can read that there is a new update and we're checking it out right now. So let's read the update word. I don't care. What changed? Add anti-cheat. Added authentication. Security improvements. Pressing option 1 is not working anymore. Sadly, I'll fix this one. Wait. Okay. Never mind. Is there anything new? Oh yeah, I haven't been posting in a while, but there is a St. Patrick's and it's leaving soon. I'm trying to buy the camera. Oh yeah, there is a new parkour area and also a free power which just lets you bounce. I'll show you. Bang bong, bang bong, bang. That's already enabled. Let's enable that real quick. We're going to check out the new parkour area, so let's go do that. Updated level 1 horror. Oh my god! What's up? Yeah, they also updated this too. Alright. This is the new... Jeez, oh my god, why am I so laggy? This is the new parkour area. It's pretty cool. Ah! I'm so good. This is the gold version of, I'll put it up here. And this is the new version of the parkour, so if you beat this, you can get this. I already have it. Alright. Let me see. Is there anything else? Probably not. I think this is it for this video. Another short video, I know, but listen, I don't know, there's like really much nothing to do. Give me ideas in the comments. I do have ideas, but it's just that I don't want to record. Too lazy. So I will see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe. Yeah. Bye bye.